Smart foreheads, printer head, cupping, head clean. Nozzle test, ground wire, AVR, ink tank at ink system, waste tank, in-use supplies. Dito naman ang in-use supplies, ink at sable rolls. Consumable, ito po ang nagamit naming 1.55 cyan, magenta, yellow at black. Naka 2,030 meters naman kami na run last week. Intraday checklist.